Zeyi Aluminum Co Ltd was founded in 2010. Our company has 227 employees, including 20 professional and technical engineers. The company has 2 extrusion workshops, 8 extrusion production lines. Annual production capacity reached to 20,000 tons, and we are one of the construction profiles, decorative profiles, and industrial profiles production enterprises. The company equipped with oxidation workshop, electrophoresis workshop, large powder coating workshop, wood grain transfer printing workshop, bridge cutoff, and insulation composite workshop, can produce oxidation profiles, electrophoresis profiles, and a variety of colors spraying profiles. Various products can meet customer demand. Our products sell well in domestic market and also exported to Europe and Southeast Asia. The volume of exports increased year by year. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and GB T28001 certificates. The company's trademark Wanju brand was awarded the famous brand in China. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our company insists on the policy that customer is the supreme, prestige promised, quality guaranteed, professional service. We are looking forward to establishing a long-term business relationship with overseas in the near future based on mutual benefits. If you are interested in our products or our company, please feel free to contact us for more details.